It's meeting people and being happy and looking forward to the next meeting and then.
I feel as though I'm happier. I look forward to Tuesday afternoons now. And though I haven't got a good singing voice, I have fun.
The Roosters have brought a lot of fun, a lot of togetherness, and a lot of old people that thought they were never going to go out the door again.
Wel, wedi gwneud lot o ddioni i mi, cael dod allan a cymysgu fo pobl, a doeddwn ni ddim yn mynd allan cynt, drwy ni'n mynd lawr y steps. A dwi'n teimlo heddiw fel rhyw hogan bach yn dod am y tro cyntaf am drip.
Ond mae Rwsters wedi gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr i mi, a dweud y gwir, a dwi'n edrych ymlaen yn fawr iawn i gael dod i'r ymarferiol yma ar bron dy mawth. A dwi'n hoffi hefyd y ffaith bod ni'n cael cymdeithasu efo bobl da ni wrach ddim yn arfer i cyfarfod nhw mewn llefydd eraill. Ac dwi fy hun yn bersonol wedi cael pleser a mwynhad mawr o ddod ar bron dy mawth. Mae di rhoi rhywbeth bach arall yn y mywyd i.
It started off that we would come here, have a bit of fun, a chat, whatever, and the next thing this choir bloomed. We've been asked to sing here, we've been asked to sing there. It's a day to look forward to. I love it, I love everyone in it, and I enjoy it so much. I just hope it goes on and on and on for as long as these old people can go.
It's me getting out of the house. Otherwise I'm in the house 24/7. And I needed that boost to get me out. And the Roosters have done it for me. And I love coming here. It's only once a week, but it's my day out.
And it's fun.
Oh yeah, great fun. Have a good laugh. The best of times.